I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Mini 4 Pro and its RC. Then open the DJI Fly app so you can change the network directly. Once done, connect your phone to the controller via USB or controller Wi-Fi and navigate to Profile, then Aircraft, and finally Wi-Fi settings. You need admin access to change SSID and password, so make sure the drone firmware is current and the controller shows connected. That prevents settings from not saving or from the app timing out. You now edit the network. Tap Edit, enter a clear SSID and a robust password of at least 8 characters, mixing letters and numbers so it resists casual guessing. Then choose the frequency band, pick 2. 4 GHz for longer range and obstacle penetration, or 5 GHz for lower latency and congestion in dense areas. After applying changes, the drone will save and typically reboot. Make sure you see a confirmation message, so the new credentials are active before you attempt to reconnect. You finish by reconnecting your controller and phone to the new SSID. Then launch the DJI Fly app and verify live video feed, telemetry, and RC link quality. Once connected, check firmware and do a quick hover in a safe area so you confirm control and GPS lock. If the drone won't join the network, reset network settings on the aircraft, reboot both devices, and retry. If problems persist, reapply the firmware update because mismatched firmware can block network changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.